Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really cool thing. The Fryline people sent me their under-the-desk elliptical machine, and I'm loving it. Not only do I put it under my desk, I've taken it downstairs, so when I'm watching TV, I turn it on, and I get exercise, because we old people, we don't move around very much. So here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's the under-the-desk elliptical machine. Now, it comes fully assembled. The only thing that you have to put together is you got to put the batteries in the remote. But here, I will show you what this has. All right, speed, how long you've been doing it, the distance you've gone, and the calories that you've burned. Okay, and everything that's on here is right on here. All right. Now, like I said, this thing comes fully assembled. You just take it out of the box, put your feet in it, and you're good to go. Now, I'm not doing anything. This is actually doing, it's actually moving. I am increasing the speed. There it is. Very quiet. And like I said, I'm not doing anything. The default is 5 minutes, but you can go for longer times, and you can go faster. All right. I'm on speed 8. I got 4 minutes and 23 seconds left. I'm figuring that's the distance in feet, and I've burned 3 calories so far. So there it is. If you want something to get some exercise, especially when you're old like I am, no effort. Turn it on, put it on your desk, on the floor in front of your couch. There it is. All right, take a look at it.